Wait. Before you spend over $1,000 on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you need to see this. Because I'm about to show you the one accessory that could save you from a very expensive mistake. What's up, everyone? Attica here from Suitable Reviews, and today we're testing the Mirror Case magnetic iPhone 17 Pro Max case. And yes, we're doing real drop tests on concrete. If you're new here, I review tech accessories honestly with no sponsorships telling me what to say. Just real tests and honest opinions. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Unboxing and first impressions. Mirror Case keeps the packaging simple and recyclable. Inside you get the case and a quick guide. That's it. I got the orange color because it's bold and looks great on camera, but they offer 8 different colors: black, navy, pink, mint green, and more. There's something for everyone. First touch, this liquid silicone feels premium. It's not that cheap rubbery material that attracts every piece of lint. This is smooth, almost velvety, and dust doesn't stick to it. The flexibility is perfect too. Firm enough to protect but easy to install. Design and build quality. Installation is dead simple. Start from one corner, work your way around, and snap. We're done. No force needed. Now let's talk about what makes this case different. This is 3.0 millimeters thick. Most cases are only 1.5 millimeters. That's double the protection. But here's what's crazy. It doesn't feel bulky at all. It slides in and out of pockets easily, but when I hold it, I feel secure. Check out these raised edges around the screen. See this lip? It's about 1.5 millimeters higher than the screen. Same thing around the camera bump. This means when you drop it face down or place it on a table, your screen and camera never touch the surface. See? There's clearance. That's what you want. But here is the genius feature that sold me on this case. This integrated camera control cover. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has this new camera control button, and most cases either leave it completely exposed or make it really hard to press. Mirror Case created the silicone cover that protects the button while maintaining perfect tactile feedback. Watch. Smooth, responsive, and protected. Light press for focus, full press to capture, swipes for zoom. Everything works exactly like it should. That's smart design. MagSafe compatibility. MagSafe compatibility is crucial for me because I use it daily for charging, car mounts, and wallets. Let's test it. And snap. That's a strong magnetic connection. No wobble, perfectly aligned every time. I can actually lift the entire charger by holding just the phone. That's how secure this connection is. MagSafe wallet, no problem. Same perfect alignment and strong hold. Wireless charging works flawlessly. I've tested it for 30 minutes straight with no overheating issues. Some thick cases interfere with MagSafe efficiency, but this one doesn't. Charging speed is identical to using no case at all. Drop tests. The real test. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. Drop tests on concrete. Full transparency. I'm using a display model iPhone because I'm not destroying a $200 phone, but these drop test results are completely real. First drop. Waist height about 3 feet. This is the most common drop scenario. Here we go. Picking it up. The case took the full impact. You can see a scuff mark on this corner, but look at the phone. It's perfect. Not a single scratch. Screen is intact, camera is intact. The case did exactly what it's supposed to do. Second drop, head height about 6 feet. This is when you're taking a selfie or on a call and it slips. This is where cheaper cases fail. That sounded rough. Let's check. The case has more scuffing on the corners. You can see the silicone absorb that shock. But the phone underneath? Completely fine, zero damage. Final drop, face down screen test from waist height. This is the terrifying one. This is the drop that cracks screens and ruins your day. Okay, moment of truth. Are you kidding me? The screen is perfect. This is exactly why that raised lip matters. The screen never made contact with the concrete. That 1.5mm lip just saved this screen from shattering. After 30 days of real use. Let me show you my personal iPhone 17 Pro Max with this case after 30 days of daily use. The silicone has held up incredibly well. No yellowing, no discoloration at all. The orange is still vibrant. I've dropped this phone probably 5 or 6 times in the past month. Nothing dramatic, just everyday fumbles, and every single time, zero damage to the phone. The button cutouts are still precise, no stretching or deformation. The USB-C port cutout works perfectly with all my cables, even my thicker braided ones. The corners show some wear, which is completely expected because these are the impact zones. But that wear means the case is taking the hit instead of your phone. That's literally what it's designed to do. The grip is still excellent, not slippery at all, even with slightly sweaty hands during workouts. And the anti-fingerprint coating? It actually works. I can touch it, and yes, you see prints for a moment, but one quick wipe and they're gone. Compare that to glossy cases that permanently show every fingerprint. Pros and cons. Let me break down the pros and cons objectively. The pros in protection is legit. Those drop tests proved it. The 3.0mm thickness and 4-layer construction actually deliver real protection. MagSafe compatibility is perfect. Strong magnets, perfect alignment, full charging speed. No complaints. Camera control protection is brilliant, and I haven't seen any other case implement it this well. Lifetime replacement guarantee. If your case gets damaged, protecting your phone, Miracase replaces it for free. No questions asked. That's incredible value. Premium feel. This honestly doesn't feel like a $30 case. The liquid silicone quality feels more like a $60 premium case. 8 color options. Whether you want bold orange, classic black, or something like mint green, there's an option for your style. And it's actually affordable at $25 to $30 depending on sales. The cons. It does add some bulk. Not a lot, but if you're coming from a naked phone or a super thin case, you'll notice the difference. But honestly, that's the necessary trade-off for real protection. The cutout for the mute switch could be slightly larger. It works fine, but if you have larger fingers, it can feel a bit tight. I wish they offered a clear version. I love showing off the iPhone's original color, and right now all the options are solid colors. That's it. Those are honestly pretty minor complaints for a case this good. Final verdict. So final verdict time. Should you buy the Miracase magnetic iPhone 17 Pro Max case? If you value protection, functionality, and style without breaking the bank, then absolutely yes. This case delivers on every single promise. The drop protection is real. We just proved it with multiple tests. The MagSafe works flawlessly. The camera control implementation is the best I've tested from any brand. And the lifetime warranty means this could potentially be the last case you ever need to buy for this phone. At around $25 to $30, this is honestly a no-brainer investment when you consider that a single screen repair costs over $300 and back glass replacement can run you $600 or more. This case has already saved my phone multiple times in just 1 month. I'm giving the Miracase magnetic iPhone 17 Pro Max case a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. It would be a perfect 5 if they made the mute switch cutout slightly larger and offered a clear version. But those are minor wishes, not deal breakers. The link to check current pricing is in the description below. I've also linked my full written review on Suitable Reviews. Come where I go into even more detail with photos and measurements. Remember, there are 8 colors available. So if orange isn't your style, check out the navy, black, pink, or any of the other options. Outro. If this review helped you make a decision, hit that like button. If you want more honest tech reviews with real testing and no sponsorship bias, subscribe and turn on notifications. I've also reviewed other iPhone 17 Pro Max accessories like screen protectors, chargers, and more. Check those out if you want to build the perfect setup. Drop a comment below and let me know what color you're getting or if you have any questions about this case. I read every single comment and I'll answer your questions. I'm Atika from Suitable Reviews and I'll see you in the next one. Stay protected out there.